Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two streaming service platforms, which is Hulu and Hulu Live TV. So let's dive into it. So talking about Hulu standard plan is best if you mainly want on-demand shows, movies, and Hulu's originals at a lower cost. It's flexible, ad-supported, or ad-free depending on your budget, and works great for binge watchers who don't need live programming. So talking about Hulu Live TV, on the other hand, is designed for those who want live channel, sport, and news in addition to Hulu's full library. The drawback is its higher price and ads during live podcast, but it works well as a full cable replacement. So if you want affordable on-demanding streaming, Hulu is enough. But if live TV is essential, Hulu Live TV is still the best choice in that aspect too. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more videos.